apologize for the quality first off. I'm out here on my iPhone 6 and my little backup phone. I'm cleaning off the front of the engine block. I had somebody leave a comment in one of my earlier videos about how dirty this thing was, and somebody else left a reply, which was perfect. I learned a little something as well, and they said this is a common issue. I'll flip the camera eventually, but it looks like it probably kicks up from the timing belt right beneath, and it's just some debris. It's not a big issue as long as you clean it off so it doesn't get bad. So I'll flip the camera around and let you guys see that. This is the area I've been going at, and if you notice the difference between this and down here, it's just debris, just kick up from this shit. So yeah, I'm gonna clean all this off real quick, make sure it looks nice and pretty, and then get on the road.
2,000 years later.
I did, but I want to hear you say this again. Behind the
harmonic balancer back there, it looks wet back there. Looks like it might be a rear main seal or the front main seal.
Yeah.
It's got to be there or back here, somewhere there or there, because that's the two wet spots, there and back there.
I was cleaning this off like a year ago, and it was nowhere near this bad.
What I would do is I would go to like O'Reilly's and buy 2 cans of carburetor cleaner.
Okay.
It's fucking $3 a can, $4 a can. You can buy 2 of them.
Okay.
Go drive it around. Let it sit for like 30 minutes after you drive it around. Don't do it right away because it's gonna be hella hot. Let it cool down, but don't do it to where it's cold, right? And just put it on the, don't do it right here because it'll make a huge mess. And just literally like those 2 cans, just blow it everywhere. All up in there, it has that nozzle.
Everywhere back there.
Do that shit, get all that shit off. Like the first can will be like to break it all up. And it's like, it's gonna stink, it's gonna take a while, but I would blow through 2 cans right in this area. You know, get it all off of there.
Yep.
And then take it for a nice drive for like an hour or 2.
Okay.
Whatever. And then after you drive it, you'll be able to see kind of where the fresh oil is seeping out of. Because now this shit, see how it's a dirt and oil?
Yeah.
You can't tell. But if you were to clean all that shit down there, clean it all up, it'll be nice and raw and clean, and when you drive it, you'll be able to see where it's seeping from. It'll be easier for them to locate it.
Got it.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.